What you need to think sometimes is that writing systems and pronunciation systems may be unrelated. This is a chart of all the phonemes used in standard English. It's divided into three sections. The section at the bottom are consonants. These are monovowels, and these ones are diphthongs, which are sort of combination vowels. And how many can you see there?
9.
Right, 36 plus 9? 45. How many letters in the alphabet?
26.
26. You're beginning to see the problem. Vowels are the building blocks of language, of sound, and consonants are the things that modify them at the beginning or at the end. Stress problem. Sometimes you say accent. Pronunciation is not only phonemes, it's also the way that the syllables are emphasized. Homophone is a word which has two spellings but the same pronunciation. Two different words. Okay, how do you know which word is being used? You know from the context. Consonant cluster are two consonants which you can say together. Are both unvoiced consonants, means they're made with the mouth, but no voce, right? So when a word finishes with a t, like bite, for example, and you need a plural or a third person ending, bites, you use s because it goes together. So one of the first things that somebody learning English in Italy needs to know is that when you see a h, you usually pronounce it. In fact, if you don't pronounce it, then you're going to get confused because there are many words where with it's one word and without. Another classic Italian English problem is the long and short I thing. Your E sound is sort of in the middle. So these are the two phonemes, okay? This, as you can see, is one sound. The two dots mean that it's long, okay? Now, as you'd expect, one sound means one mouth position. This, on the other hand, this is a diphthong, which, as we've discussed, is a combination of two sounds. In the stressed syllables, the vowels are strong. T. In the not stressed syllable, the vowel becomes weak. T, teacher. All of these not stressed ER suffixes have this vowel, which is called the schwa. Take the adjective and the noun, put them together to create a word, and what you have is a new word with a different meaning, and this is called a compound word. Some words have different stress with different grammar forms. The general pattern is that nouns are stressed at the beginning and verbs are not. Another interesting thing about stress is that unstressed syllables are often not pronounced. The technical word is that they are elided. Vowels are elided in multi-syllable words to make them easier to say. Choose a course which integrates pronunciation teaching from the beginning. It's not that the teacher needs to make your pronunciation perfect, it's that the teacher needs to make you more aware of what there is to know. The obvious mistakes, and the most obvious mistake of all is learning words from books and pronouncing them the way they are written. Okay? Become aware of differences between English and Italian, and finally, maximize listening.